Aka bosomene kakra bi no ma Ghana yakoto santena kwa kwato bana femra shebejafo ana mampanyine ye oto akonya so no ya sakra mu na o ma Ghana tumi afra domu akwadom mu adeshima ma premo to ma nyina mo hana so biem ya tena se October bosonda to so duonu mienu a ya de sembe against Paul baba som wo Sompa 93.1 afre Sompa sunwa na nkwanza wanum so alfa kase boy ebi ansamo de ba ne ma kwete no bi enie ya ba kwa ma Ghana ma se dwafie ne na ayere sa bentanya samketo ama ande si amanyoko na kwetena dom kase na konya so se wo moa ne woga na ka wo bia ma MPP fo se Sandisi fo akwaje dom kase na konya so atena no wo so tena ma se dwafo ho a enye yi
sansensem ya na enkane majority leader ema wasuru kokroko amanyoko no a ena sa ye mrahye badwani ma de hye wo so am abato mpasua so na asem a wo kanyina se parliament obeche court contempt no enma so ne ochena ka ho
na ana ye hunu sa asrafo dom bia kwakobo dom pem e wo mrahye badwafie ya wo hwese bambo mu nsem wo betumi ye miemu ye ne animdifo abedi nkoma afasemi ho
ye duru mrahye badwafie asade nsem ne se ye koye ye no majority leader was kokoko amanyoko no he wo sorry free parliament wo kokora
na kwada so mrahye badwani ye wa Kingsley Nyako anso ade ato dwase aban no aguso de bomoden sane be ye wo baje adefo adehye pinua enkwa
Franka tufo ma was kokoko amanyoko no de otoso mienu odi akire no Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe Sabre no said ya di mfidie ebehwe ne bambo mu ayene no woni mpanifo bi akasa
21st clinic asiatica expert through herbal center so ka ho bi ayo maro fisa Sompa chade no yeguso da ya gia emipro service na de woto kwan China memo now so dwumade Liberty Conference abusua ya ka ho bi cloud internet the fastest internet in the world amaro fi express group de woto kwan China memo Canada obekọ bia ma ho ato afai se ono ba na betimi aso a aye OCP Ghana Limited wo fertilizers no anu bi na wo hia Mizone 5G and through herbal center so one through core capsules wode abano eno so ataye chia somfo banu ana na bena yatena se baken kan se media mawo akosua ajewa kwode aboaten ni medin mene
o se ya aboaje oforisu
ensem no eni awuso ya kwamra sebadwafie na another duamra sebadwafie wore mo yehye ye nya asem keto akora anya se bia sabe pedua se jana to na mmuo no sane dom kase ne dom kuma no munyina dane ase bia bede no obi ya paso akwotena dom kase akonya so no eno na ka obi amra sebadwafie ho no mayere na ana akokwaji ko ne yete yesa asrafo dom ne empanyimfo atwotwo wuro bi no akwakobo dom pem awo mra sebadwafie ya wo hwesane be na bambom nsam emu betumi ayere na nkamfanse enano ade ye si mrahye dwafie wi akire na wo mo bro wo mo ho no ebi antumi ansibiem ye ka sai andesi amanyoko ye no ye dom kuma no afa no wo mo kwotena dom kase na konya so akira se ne wo mo anu woga wo mo so tesu bi enti NMPP fo so nko no kwotena minority won mo enkonya so na ane nyina no akwakoye free na anu ada ya wada adeba ne fiada so speaker of parliament adeba to dwa akira sankonwa nan bi wo mrahye dwafie a sankonwa nyina no de ka ne se we declare vacant no na se ya adwuma a wo mrahye dwafie pa aka wo bi kura poma dom kase no afamuo no wo mo so akọ Supreme Court ma court de krata bayi a na wo hye speaker of parliament sa ne ruling no wana no de to dwa no won twentwen so nya de betumi aye adwuma na so nei andisi force wo mo de wo mo ntei so dogo bi mpo enu abe na aka wo bi amenne Yero Alexander afanyoma kena wo ko dom kase no afamu a wodi won manimu ade ato dwa sese andisi amanyoko no asochenchi na atwan majority seat so eno betena de a ene MPP so efri mrahye dwafie.
There was a decision by Mr. Speaker expressing his opinion on Article 97 of the 1992 Constitution. That opinion led to a declaration by him that those members have vacated their seats. Prior to his decision, I had brought to his attention that there was a pending suit at the Supreme Court, which pending suit was to seek certain interpretation of Article 97. In fact, Mr. Speaker himself acknowledged that on the floor of the House. As a result of his decision, the majority caucus expressed its disagreement with his decision and gave a clear indication that the matter will be pursued further at the Supreme Court. So on Friday, another process was filed by me, and the Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision, determined the matter and ruled, among others, that one, Speaker's interpretation of the law was wrongful, and that the Supreme Court was staying his decision pending the final determination of the case. In other words, his earlier decision to the effect that those 4 MPs, that is MP for Fomena, MP for Aguna West, MP for Suhum, and Amenfi Central had vacated their seats, was nullified. In essence, we are law abiding. We have heard that our colleagues say they disagree with the Supreme Court. They've been using unprintable words on the Supreme Court. On Sunday, the minority leader, my respected colleague, Dr. Forson, led the minority caucus in a press conference, whereupon they told Ghanaians that today they will come and occupy our seats by their own proclamation. MPP, our tradition, is a law-abiding tradition. Our forebears always use the courts to correct the wrong. Since 1992, our leaders have always used civil advocacy and the courts to ensure that we get the peace that we have today. On top of my head, I can recall the era.
I was your way a majority leader, Alexander Afenyo Makin.
Enkane mbrashebedwani ana mbrashebedwani a wo Swami Abatu Ompesua so no na majority leader ma wosurukokro amanyoko no mbrashebedwafie na wone Sompa news for ebotwe nkomo wo ni media tour a wokro ye na ansem a woka nyina ne se se Ghana parliament no untimi fa nkototo US for de ho UK for de akura ntimi fa ntoto ho India for Canada for kura so saa na ansem a woka nyina ne se asemu egu apaso Ghana for we ne se twapia wo de asi wano anopa wo wi anadwo okoda wo wi no se vacant bia beda mbrashebedwafie no wohwe mramu a entesa ne sa yonti no said the MPP osukoko amanyoko wakokoto akwaje krata ba no say speaker of parliament here say oye na adwene say ensem a yekeka no onti a ene na so wono a na say kokoba say parliament kwache court contempt dia Ghana mamra no enimu sa babia o say me sache bunsu yenkoti no
of Ghana, unlike the parliament in the Westminster systems, Parliament of England, the Parliament of Canada, the Parliament of India, the Parliament of Australia, Parliament is sovereign. Parliament is so sovereign. Parliament is sovereign. A Parliament is subservient to the Constitution of the Republic. And even where Constitution no the discretionary powers we must speak no. Constitution no in Article 296 it can say in the exercise of discretionary power they must speak no. It should be in tandem with the Constitution. Be a discretionary power so I had this a boy bra. Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Atemwa for no ankasa omubu ateno kra no. O say omudiso. O say speaker diso, o say president diso, o say vice president diso. Ndi undimi ka say me speaker ndimi niso. I say parliament ndimi ka say yeah mra no. If we are under the rule of law, we mra o say we dimra no so. Ndi the speaker obi obeka jo say e fe say the speaker can Supreme Court is where the interpretation and over is okay Article 2 of the Constitution or can be was a person who alleges that 2.1 and 2.1 being irrelevant, that any act or omission of any person includes the president, the vice president, the speaker, the chief justice, is inconsistent with or in contravention of a provision of this constitution may bring an action in the Supreme Court for a declaration to that effect.
Okay.
And can never shebe dwani anamra shebe dwani ma de hye wo so am abato mpesu aso oni monya for say chairman sabosu wona kasa to nanum tuo no kire mu a Ghana no obi ani wa wapamra ho even kura na do danko akufu ado se bia okodi boni bi na bro Ghana mamra so e betwe na so se de se ne fata woto aso biem na ne nsem a woka nyina ne se Aban Babin ono na bra shebe dwani wote akonwa no so na na nsem a wokeka keka no woni right bia say samra we wo pass ruling say bia wo gia konwa na ma NDC for so mama debi yenye ne sakura yinkotie no
statement no near eye no
okay
and into the rules no say so be a statement that and it's a degenerating to debate comments they make you no statement in the history of parliament Emma speaker yet ruling and the speaker kofa so to force and then oye na odima ruling procedurally he was wrong. Yeah, rules no man kwai man ye ruling on the statement. Na me say how na do so dey na akoye statement okoye ruling no so dia. E no yen kan wan say. Dey na akoye ruling. You are putting something on nothing. There's nothing before us. So akoye ruling. The statement no so dia, statement so ma kwai. You want on what account of the sir. So, nti e hono na e ha drink akra. Na me nti ni AC no e needless. And then you know me kind of say obi si o lawyer bi si o afenya marking opre na hono de asem ko Supreme Court. How? Opre na ho say asema to force afenya de akọ Supreme Court ne say o say parliament nsem bi esi na nsem esi ne say MPs 4 bia miensa wo majority caucus na ba ko wo minority caucus and na mo a mo tuo ni na opeso ohu wo mo status say the declaration of intent na mo no does it amount to vacancy
osai to aso biem na ansem a woka nyina ne say 8 parliament ye kwanye ye fa so na yeyi mrahye yeyi speaker no eno so akoya asem foforo kura
speaker bai. The speaker is a very experienced speaker. But or an experienced member of parliament, I should say. But parliament, actually. But controversies about parliament in no a lot. Again, speaker and some work. Say, Mobekaya, speaker bar first. The choose you no man be a speaker. No, I have always been very, very, selective. With Sasana Mekane. The speaker was chosen, he was not elected by parliament of the speaker. At the time, because you elected will be it's back by numbers. Speaker number being a Trabaman, number being an Antrabaman. He Traba he can't quit, so I can't or more supposedly the Mutrabama, a friend of Quay, a Trabama, Babiu. The number being a support. We didn't come there, Yamaho. And our Carlos Befa. The near Stashi Ediamano. Don't forget to say, okay, the near Diamano. Yeah, kind on you who say, you be for Swaba. You Babin, you know, Yankay. And he didn't know because he was elected. If he was elected by what numbers? We chose him because he could do, Now, and Emma Bebrea had any. If I spoke with the Kufado, if I Kufado called me, because I'm not for doing yes, the year was here to Abani Biu. And the president said he agrees with me. But I spoke to the president on a Bujina post phone. And now, Okasem say, and Yari, Babi, only is away in the Papone. Then Yari, Yamfamanosa.
I'm not sure if any man this year was swami about one person and cane or no, and then majority leader Emma Osukuku Kwame Yukuno. When you for says men such a busune and I could see.
Henry Nanabuache, national organizer, Dema NPP Amanyokoi. Now, upon us, no some Pacasiaka such as Sanyako so much of the fear. ama nneɛma yɛ agye nsɛm nyinaa no gyina mmarahyɛbadwafoɔ mmienu pɛ yɛ wɔn mu NPP amanyɔkuo no afa wɔse Agona West mmarahyɛbadwani Maame Cynthia Mamle Morrison wɔn aka ho bi ɛno akyi no koraa po no suhum mmarahyɛbadwani wɔn mɔnyafo kwadwo asante wɔn mu mmienu ana ya chenchina atwan NPP mpanyifo kora na no ada no won mkɔhyiae ya na nka wɔhwɛ no mu sɛ wɔn basesa wɔn madwene afiri kwanten kro mpɛ sɛ wɔn mkɔ mmarahyɛ dwafie no na nka wɔn san so bɛdɔm NPP amanyɔkuo no biem na wɔn hwɛ sɛ nneɛma bɛkɔ nanso asɛ mpanyifo mmienu no wɔn gyina ya wɔn masie no wobi anya na dwene sɛ wɔtwene de asensan enti ɛna no wontumi fa ho soboɔ ankonkɔbɔ NPP mpanyifo bia
the new patriotic party no kɛsepa na obi ɛka mpanyinfo yempo yɛte ho mpopoyɛ anaasɛ yɛte ho agya bi ɛyɛ asɔ baabi no sɛ yɛampepe yɛ ho sɛ yɛbɛpɛ nsuo ne adum na sɛ ɛnyɛ nsɛm nyinaa na ɔmahene bɛtumi de abɛtɔ abɔnten ɛkaa koraa general secretary ɛberɛ a asɛm wei ɛhyɛ aseɛ ba nkitahodie ɔne media ɔka sɛ bisa ne sɛ obi ɛda ne tiri mu pɔ akyi sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ kwanten kɔ a saa nipa no yɛbɔ situation ne kyerɛ sɛ yɛtwa no sukura yi ne free party na saa position na mu no gyina na ɛwɔ bia ne asɛm sɛ ne sika no na yɛkusu a ne mu tunku yɛgyidie ne sɛ ase nti party mpanimfoɔ ɔmahene wafidie sɛ ɔkɔ akɔyɛ kwan ho nti a ntumi mu din mpanimfoɔ a yɛtu ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nkɔ ne mu nkɔdi nkɔ yɛayɛ nneɛma no bebree wofa ɔboafoɔ a ɛda kokɔ na fɛrefoɔ hɔ ɔmo asɛbe usu a ɔmo pepa n'aniwa yɛayɛ nneɛma no bebree na ɛtɔda a ɛyɛ na nipa adwene no sɛ duntumi mu wuram ɔne wɔn ho adwempɔ ɛkyɛkyɛ mede ɛyɛ na yia wɔ na ɛyɛ na medie sɛ sɛnka wɔyɛ paati ama wakonya abatoɔ deɛ sunsuasoɔ no ɛyɛ na epie a wɔne bɛgye wɔne nye ho sɛbe yɛn nyinaa mu no yɛkɔ primaries yɛn nyinaa mu yɛkɔ primaries wohwɛ ɔpanin ɔboafoɔ a sɛ madam astute parliamentarian and also you are answer na ofani oboafo bitu amowa in fact saa se kwa akɔso ayɛ adwuma ma ebibu kwa no enti nka yɛmpa mu kwa do mani beto akonya party de ma nanka obaka sɛ ampa ebia bibi akɔso yɛni anya ho bibi akɔso atosini nso party ni nti party ama yakonya yababɛhim bakɔso a ne adi musa sɛbe yi obi firi hɔ no mu a wampa aba okopi general secretary wenya wampa eni ona campaign manager ya mama Cynthia Morrison kana me yayi because na minim so the party pa na me wogidi ma passes to party na ho do sa wo enti service ya ko primaries our primaries no kwa na chair sanse na nsem ne fa ne bi kwa na ko ma constituency chairman o kwa nsem ne bi efa court went me ending kunu jinanka susuyeni nyinaa ne senka dia wode betechi makonya ba ama otimi asom party the minister kwampo na mencha de UDP elobia na Kenya na sa enti na mu ya se party mpanyinfo da beka na akobasi eti obi obeka se party mpanyinfo ne mpanyinfo enyi kita ho na nyasa na tie party mpanyinfo no mu di kita ho ba different ways on say that ntemu no se odaso ye MPO na opese the next parliament the next parliament no opese gina wo MP enti se interpretation no ko ba se ene we twanesu ye unity san se wada ni trimu kwa di se opese gina wo MPP ticket mu in the next parliament me I find it problematic and you are the baben no kwase ni wadi kana hamopa
I was your way national organizer dema NPP amanyɔkuo no Ora Henry Nanabuachi.
There is fire on the mountain. Kwalana beji so say run. Na just a job to parliament to anya sem ketua kra. Ni nyina ene say emrase beduafo bi almost omo ko independent here MPP fo nipa 3. Ena NDC fo so enipa 1. Ene say yontina ma figure no so akwakote wo ho. Eno ena emra no eye adwuma say ba sa de a na just a majority leader no bekwa akodi NDC amanyokofo no ho na osurukokoko amanyoko no so akoyeku ketwa no eno na akogi nchiri wahye wo mrahye beduafia magya ato ho no na de wo kwa aten de wo ba aten de ogina woni atentro do yensem tro ni nana ya wo ho de ben osurukokoko amanyoko ni ase ene omsori free parliament ye nana ya ne betumi akire mu nana woteme nka memo ha
meju so meni abema
oba pa bibia bakode
Oba de adom ya.
Ya tie fotie de asi wo mrahye beduafia ni nyina sanima ye.
Minia sisubi.
Ndawoma sesi e dia be poten na esimra hye bedwafie.
Minua mama nda wasene akonya wo de ama me. Sede waba amane ne deda no. Na sese ya obenwa Ghana mrahye bedwamu a. Afe na Speaker of Parliament Albans Mana Kingsford Bagby. What tenase na ye bompa ye de na adwuma de no ahye onyankopon sa. Na ena setena no uwura mu a ebehu se NDC amanyoko no woman ne woman better speak and send fast to majority seat no na ye nuanu MPP for the church say say ne speaker declare seat and na be vacant na court so dey ni uni na aba to so no ko si say enne for makoma konso Supreme Court say speaker so mfa ho mu ayemra no say ne speaker betena say now the final determination say wo this Supreme Court nhyehyeye ne so ana say wo gina ono ana sam a waka ne so de wo MPP amanyoko no wo fa wo mrahye bedwam de wo metena se wo chamber nim intimi no kasai MPP MPs no wo office our job 600 the chamber is being only occupied by the NDC minority.
Okay. Na se kokoba no se sabre Supreme Court nsem a wodi aba beto emrahye bedwafie no ba ben se wa ni so a de ne besi akire
yenna nim se kabima ne kabia mamu wo ho parliament eye body a wodi ne ho so a obi entumi enhyehyɛ mra emfama no nkyɛ ne de wonye se koba ne saa ene na MPP amanyoko no se de o maka so mo boycott no saa pepepe ene bɛkɔ no enya dia menti me ho ase bia be ma ne ho me so se bia speaker anyi antum sanse me ne kasai speaker so file court application our court me ne kasai ya ono so de tabo ekoto Supreme Court orders awade man no so enti so far no enne no se ya speaker betena si ene ye betie na asem a obeka ene de bekwakosi
asesi ai na nei ho bambo no te sai sanse sabire no se yama bambo mu anyira ba bi omo ya prepreje wu
bambo hu nsam de edida na akwan mu sene esene fata na emu na aye din kakra anopa no se de di kan ba amane no se omo de asrafo makomako dunan eno mo krama be ra chamber ni mu be hwehwe mu se obi mfa bibiboni mehye mu ana ampa omo be wi omo dwuma omo kɔ nti so far no parliament security na kasa na take over omo ye adwuma bambo ho nsam de metumi asisi dia se bibia de da na akwa
nana we de mo ni eni akire na answer na speaker baba betena se no yaman bo a edisuo no anwumre no yaba behwe de akwakosie yesem tuoni nana ya ono ena mpempi no ya na wotonkra efiri mrahye bedwafie ede ebre yen ne mu ensem ena ikutie
Aria from Tuberca Siabon wani no wasuguso ya wotie no hara Sompa 93.1 Sompa enkranza so nyane nyina da wanu so afabi yeguso ada gina mrahye bedwafie ne yakoso ho se yebehunu dom kese anase dom kuma no enum asem ada ne yeguso ada ye gina nei yamane boni ama yaso ate se Speaker of Parliament yero Albon Sumana Baben wa babetena se ewo mrahye bedwafie ya babetie wono so de ode babatu dwase aso ewom so nei wadakra tanso akwade se Supreme Court wasam no a wono so aka no ankefa no nto nche no no de ne momunya adwuma sano no na ebe ya adwuma ne anaso wode asem foforo na mo no na sabro no dache na ebe kire na yenkwa wo ma no so e na yenkwa di nkomo hwese bambom nsam ne yekoso no ewo sesa na ekwa na ye ne owura Richard Kumado ekwa kodi nkomo papa eba ne bambom a wabiri mu yie papa yenkwa ne ne nkwa kasa wo ba kasa mo ha o so paso ni
Pacha mejeso
afisia panso
Africa betie
na yewura minim sa de akoso mrahye bedwafie de minim sa watete bia fitia no pa no na yenhwe ne bambomu sa aye sansa ahyase ne yehu sa asrafo dom bi kura di kan kwa ho wi achirom de nkrama bi ni ade ekwo hwehwe wo sa ne ebe ya obi mfa akodie bi edi awuo nhyɛ ne ho enko na nnenso yehunu sa afei won mo bo ban wo mrahye bedwafie no wankasa na afei de won mataki over won rasa bambom nsem bayire de ya tete ne de kokoso no aya ne kwan mu ana sa na wo sa ekɔ
Very important. Say you better na ma for say baby ya parliamentarians in say job 600 no. Ya renovation ti enye ho na ya almost share ya. Baby almost share na international conference center. Now, International Conference Center is a very bigger place, and security arrangement were very different. And tonight, there's a parliamentary security call no the guidelines be by. That is a guideline they should have used from 2021. They haven't used it. And tonight, there, but me share guideline. Me na me who police, me who military form. And me name near the military call ye. Ebiana omanya another threat be anything on the military for call ye. But other than that, in a parliamentary democracy, and I say in a democracy where you have parliament, you have presidency and the judiciary, whatever happens in parliament stays in parliament. Now me say if the speaker sit down, obey your remarks, and as I remarks in the determine going forward. And me name there what the military was sent there to go and do. Any activity or any effort to be affront to the constitution, a tatama to coup d'etat. Now, Africa, no, there are a lot of military takeovers and coup d'etats around us in West Africa. And so we need to watch it well so that the narration, we are planning to use a military to take over the parliamentary caucus in Ghana.
And when no Yabakana Sunny and your Marco, a question about to make us a speaker, Chinchina Chayana. Sans you want to say they want to the crack.
Definitely. I don't know where the threat is coming from, but a simple parliamentary issue. The parliamentarians have the power to deal with it. Now, we share all over the world. Some parliament, say, yeah, to quite me see what now. Blood and all chairs are broken and many of those ones. In Ghana, we in time, apart from some speaker now, issue with the ballot stolen and all that. Your parliament predominantly now your camp place. And if we are raising the stakes so high and yet too important. Democracy, governance, and politics, a problem as black people and as Ghanaians. And that is where we need to sit down and look at it. Other than that, it is slipping through our figures and it doesn't look good.
And to when a Fabian, you ever kind of say, a cabin, mamma, cabin, no, Anna, ya day, ya, Juma, ya done a dear chere, and I said, Fabian, ya, atra,
Yantiasia, no money, ya, no, Yantiasia, and him the any ho, and now we are sorry, I any ope, and more democracy, no, and yet more politics, no, soon yet, and now more governance leadership soon yet. Because I'm not here, I'm going to say, we're a parliamentary issue. And they have a way of resolving it. And resolve it. But I don't know why everybody is panicking and there's too much pressure in the atmosphere. It's unfortunate, but I don't think we are doing it properly. Thank you.
I was your way up on your pile, Bonabombo, Wapani Moro, Richard, Kumadan your turn and Kayana watch Chirimuano, Sadia and Marana Siania, Bambo Muaka Sankasene, Asra for Dom Binumua, Speaker of Parliament, Asra Yasanka, Wambacoma Sujafie, now a shaka quarter to Nyama at the Abua 3 Haba Center. What the 3 capsules are back master draw, ya Abua to the Siadiano Coca say, out there a free one Maria Trasabako Colina Keba. Danny Haba Mysteria Pedank na wakwako pebiato 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Mizo and 5G 1 month so can hope you after OCP Ghana Limited. What the fertilizers papa ba yakuafo wamudidi juma ayakama papa we would go no barano so etimi so ema hoto ebo akese akese 0555 909 437 0555 909 437. What internet, Papa, air cloud internet. Woman at the Namo, Wi-Fi, CCTV camera, digital security locks, Ninata, one mobile top high. One lava from Dish anymore 0202 699 110. Express Group will say, what was square Kumasia Safileba run about our and crying. Canada first light for one more in Canada, US, UK, Holland, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, when you're not dying for 1 to 0249 000448 0249 000448 Liberty Conference. Nyame ya domu ana watwe mu awie e memenda abusua eba so live e wo Jubilee Park. Anopa no nsia ne ya hyase o man ne ya odubu ache wore na tena dwamuo na se adwontofo wato nsafra wonom Georgia Ajay Minister SK Frimpong Minister Kwame Jedu wo nyina da ba beboa bi nto so bre na obeyen hira yie papa emu pro service ya de wutu kwan. Yesa na opeso kwa China memu na ai ya ne mpanyefo akoko dam na ekodi nkomo nwumaku akese wobeje wo mo number se wohia bibia wato nsafra wo mo de abraw na ho atumi atɔ emu pro say wo ticket wo visa babia wo beda waduane a wo bedie meetings a bɛkɔ bibia mu no ɛyɛ $2,499 per China ɛyɛ nanso ne yakwakodie bibia ne afra ne mom hyɛ no nso yɛ wakyemota mo hɔ no mo a Star Oil Fuel Station hɔ no mo ne yɛbɛn 0244 924573 0244 924573 afenso ya bachade wamo ne yacha won ma de ye konafo awisia ne nyanka nti so fa wo de bra ye monta de mpaboa bibia ye baje wokọ Ghana Commercial Bank dan mu wo Nkranza Sompa ye wo honom 9th Market sunya ne so ye wo ho afei no mo hotel ntwe so no ma wokuma sen so ye sanso wo hobie mu se mo ba mo ne nso abetumi de afa ya homa yi so 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 Edino Airtel One Media Anasa Blessed Foster Sciatica expert no Air 21st Clinic Oto asentiri no atwe wade aba na amro mu no hwese ana ne kire ya da babo apina dokotafo na wan madoma boawo na wato ase adiama kumase show overseas junction wobaya for radio boase cancer quarters court junction and cry door market sunyana kranza ana tachiman siataka ya dia na ya na wampe wachira kwanso ntamu wabeka wato ho 0540 311 311 311 abusa ya da ho ya ba mrasebe dofie ni afa yase aboboba no yebekọ ne de mu amanebo ababesom
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st Clinic nko a wo mu dia bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st Clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hiaye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Umase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15, 14. Prekese powder. Aduane san yedru. FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agye atum.
Hey sewa, me hu acho. Me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, ene me ma connection ma for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otu adidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwento ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visit in so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labor runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 8 in Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Moa for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
I was so damn was Sompa Makatiapa. Yes, I come to show your fear, Biona. Put a promo and a boy and sack everyone much was said. Speaker of Parliament, Ababatina, no, and nay, one more two, Mashaja Assetan no Shada. When you name Dapotia, one must answer Frebi and some Mashaja former Assetana, na Ghana, Sesayano, one Maramat was Sans and Yakosono, one San Shy between the Basabasaya Abba. Young Quanian Manaboni, Nana Yatri, Kodinkomo, Nana Crababio. Dear see any boy and boy, speaker, what the about to just Masoja fears Sadiano, one more to us Shadakura, at a sa.
Minia, Maminda was near Kenya, would be a mammy. Send an enemy in our speaker, or gay, Nanumwaya. At first, school court, a boy, Sam, I should be the phone, and I would come back and to know. Parliament's mom, I want my own man. Now, the Speaker of Parliament, Abbas, man, I think so, Parliament. When I say, Osha, man, I said them to my Jacob. Andra, a idea when I crack office Supreme Court, that's Supreme Court, the orders, Amano. Now, and make the chamber no more. And this are bad Jumano, and for me, Colo, or the now, what shall your mayor also, racing and tin of Martina, and I sit on what was and say, indefinitely, because you see, and your mother now come. And you to say, yeah, no, Catay. Parliament after Omukoma.
Bro, Mrasoja fear, Don Kumano, Wembo, Don Gumambo, yet me who do me. Say, and this Yamayo corner so the ya, who free Mrasoja Fiono, who are now cosono, yes, what the TV cacra.
Almost the church, a fellow speaker faction, a babua, it's not just a thing, and maintain of Martino, almost do this for almost a majority media. Nanso sene iko ye paninu akase wo se de ekofini ntia fie no ensan ko ma hu ni mu even though akabe na woti menu ansan na wo makwa wo suti enu tse enu ede abotayem kruye ebebe man dem no bia entesi wo bia etu so far no ndc for there almost support ene first speaker say
na yenim sa before no so won mon koy wo moda so ho no mo no anu agya no mo de wo ma so toto fom se wo betie akoba ne se na bia wo mo so bo se bia we no kura be boa ma agya enkomodie bia wo so mu di no wase no atumi awie mu di ana
we no 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 and the pain and some together we have for leadership meeting na Alexander Martin oni ni deputy ene ne hwehwi na code ba omu ye no almost not ye say omu kwatena omu office na omu tie the speaker ebe kanene eti tete ya ebe omu te se favor mo favor mo ene de bi ebe tun omu no omu di nkomo ansa na ye be hu omu ade se ya
ayu ona na de kire sansa de akwakoye de anya de ya asantwofo nham de bi aba kokoso ho no mo ansa na won mo free machine de fie wa ankasa akọ enti fo ne de kire ma bibia ne a ya basa abo promu biem ya ma ne boni ya woto ya nkrada ne de nyina free machine de fie na na ya twetwe ne yete ne nka wo kire mu se speaker of parliament abetena se no wo de abeto ja kire se machine de fo asetena no wotu ahyeda kura ya wonim dapote a wo be frenti ye wogidie wa rehemu se wo mokwa akoye nsiesie bi wa kire se ne bege na menteme wase biada enkoso machine de fie
etu nkotwere de yetwere omo antimi kura ankasa na ye efiri se no mo ya preprija akonwa nyo na ate so wafo so akotena so de asemfo foro besa abomem akoso ya de wo sere ebi bekan ye o enunti abamba benye danase bebia wo de parliament akotu no ye ya tuaka se ne so na ya de amamo na franka tufu abedi ya kire ma wasuru kokro kwa manwoko no Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe se omampani abedi ya kire Dr. Large Mahmoud Bawumia ne da ya so ane se Ghana ha no bibia de be ko computer so e be ko akoye digital enunti ne science Ghana fo nyina afre ne digital man ne bibia no eyimfidi asem na sabre ya mene wo kasa Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe wone mpanifo a ewo Memphis University wo mu konwasi a wo masie ne round table a wo tena ho no sabre wo de Ghana fo ko da nyina edin ebe ko Ghana card so ene database no nyina kwa ye digital no abia na anya se edin keke ena wo de Ghana ko da ekoso na ne wo mo bambo ne se besi tracking ko dai wo mu ekwan a mu fa so ko school ene wo mo kwa so de ne ade de nyina de ba kwa ko ru nkrata so ene computer so said ye be ya Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe ene Dr. Large Mahmoud Bawumia dokota fo mienu wo mo be kan mo trabom no masom Ghana no masom no Sompa ni sa yonti no sabre no computer sam no de o mo yo ma se no ene mo di ebebu o man na bra woni Memphis mpanifo etena se no yenkoti bi.
As soon as you are born, you are given a national ID that follows you for the rest of your life. So in the next 4 years, you have to capture every school-going child digitally with a system, so that when the child is lost, missing children, or the child is being transferred or being stolen and being doing traffic or something, no matter where in Ghana he goes, Once we know you, once you appear in the class or study here, as soon as the teacher enters your details, wherever you have gone, you are tracked. So we've moved into that digital age for security, for safety, and for government and public services and everything. So that is where we are. And we hope to get into it in a more bigger time. Just like Estonia, and we've reformed our tax system for businesses. We are starting a flat tax system in Ghana next year. We are granting tax amnesty for both companies and individuals, so that everybody gets a new fresh start. Everybody, the tax system, so we are unifying the tax code, so it takes less than 5 minutes to fill in the tax assessment form, all through digital. So we need more people trained vocally, vocationally, through IT.
Dear, what two franca, bed yachre, Edema was Rukoko Kwaman, Yokono, Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, Wabro on Penny for free Memphis University, Eba Yeno, a quiet first wire bog Ghana from Koda Hobine, Senyanko Poya, Dumna Ghana for your Mumuji, no two about Edema, Moshe say a good Kwamua, or Mode Babon Koda Hobino, and Nayukuti Yeno.
Slinya Koya, one of your quadra summer show, Janin Swap Power Ambulance Service, the Ghana National Fire Service. One more down for Frokraya, or Deba Dijuma, Ponimu. Now, I know I'm so among when young for the 2 jar at Rasa, when you know Cabana Sharon Sansa by Redia. Why Abadom Ghana pa so Bobo May, no Wajia, the Sherman Quanti, when Crampono, Ayashasia and Che, Afro Frobet Watoso.
Ya doing Punyan say, O my Ghana, the Tumpom. O my Ghana intimi in Tumpom, Abra, Assembly, anyhow. The Assembly, and I go far to Ebe Bia. I bet to Abano Assembly Mobia no be. Namijaha, Asha Ghana 4%. Juma, and I go far to Aye, Edabwa or my Ghana. Let me sense me, Aka said. And I go far to Aye, Juma baby, a chain. I'm a penny, Donna, my baby, or my Ghana Suno, and I Juma.
Na eno no abakra chepanyire ya wono so kwada so kropon bon monya for Richard ajane boate wono so akasa kakra
Adwa pa ya yi abansika ana etimi aya de ya yi na papa bia so no sabio odire ne pa ho anuti ana ndamija His Excellency, the President of the Republic, and I prefer to name Ekasa. Sir, the son of you want a big year. Now, you said your food, your part, and your piano. And the end, I kept there 40 days. Your papa doesn't mention one. And now you commission fire and ambulance, baby. That's all. Sunday, yes, cinema plan, and I can make you slice. Projects are quite a strong one. That's one of Maku or high abuse.
Afa no chino na nankansa bo doa ye bo afo agreken zema hene na nanso kasa de kakra to so afa kwan bia oye hu
Omo na dem komo izo Mama's fine. I see. I'm saying, you know where we are. Mommy, I can't pray. Is your. And if I go, we are some 1 year. Is your. Yes, Patapana, dear. Is your. That's what I say. That's what I am. It's a demonstration. I don't hear demonstration now. Proper. How the demonstration now? I'm not going to go. Is your. Yes, I see any poor. Is your. Send me on my mother, my young man. I know I can't be here. Said, and I said, you were being contracted. Everyone said, yes, you are moving on your mind.
I was say agreken zema hene no nankansa bo doa ye bo afo no yete ne kan nyina weswe na ya fansam no ensi Koko Veronica Jando, Akosia Sumoya Grace Buzi, Reverend Michael Happy Priscilla, Munina Yadam was say, Ora Santia War Benedict, one and some for Penia, or Dom San Semno de Maya and Shabatana Sakin Kanye, Midi ene, Akosia Ajewa dear Boatin, Mene.
All say ya Abwaji Oforisu.
Yes, or so Sompa.